This is a piano tutorial on the old Elvis tune, Are You Lonesome Tonight? In this video, I'm going to show you how to play this as a piano accompanist. And so for that, you're going to be playing your chord in your right hand. We're going to be doing a broken chord this time. And what that means is we're just going to be, rather than playing the chord, all the notes at the same time, we're going to be creating a pattern with it like that. So I'll show you how we're going to be doing that. The only other thing you need to add is the bass note, which is the root note of the chord down low, the note the chord's named for, as you're playing that broken chord in your right hand, and then you sing on top of that. So we start with a C chord here, and I need to add a note to this C chord, so I'm going to put my index finger on middle C so that I can move my thumb down to that G note, which gives me 4 notes in the chord, so I can do this. And you got a bunch of measures of that. Are you lonesome tonight? And so on. Then we move to an A7 chord, which already has 4 notes, so it's A, C sharp, E, and G. And you just have that for 1 measure. Then you go to D minor, which is A, D, F, and A. Got a couple measures of that. And then you go to G7, which is B, D, F, and G. And you do that for quite a few measures there. And then you go back to C. Then you go to C7, which is going to change to this note, a B flat there rather than B natural. Then you're at the F chord. And in the F, we're just going to add this extra note on the top, another F there. And then you're going to go to D7, which is going to be like this, A, D, F sharp, and A. You got a couple measures of that, and then you go to G7, B, D, F, and G, and back to the C again. And then another D7, and then D minor, you lower that note, and then G, and C. And you just create that 6-note pattern. It's in 3/4 times. You have 8th notes, 6 notes in each measure. When I play the C chord, I'm going to do this C note down low, and then I go to A7, and then for D minor, I'm adding that note down low, and then you add the G when you're playing the G7 chord there, and so on. So you just have to add that. And hopefully somebody at your house can do a nice Elvis impression here. I'm going to sing it for you, and this is what it sounds like. Are you lonesome tonight? Are you lonesome tonight? Are you sorry we drifted apart? And does your memory stray to a bright summer day when I kissed you and called you sweetheart? Do the chairs in your parlor seem empty and bare? Do you gaze at your doorstep and picture me there? Is your heart filled with pain? Shall I come back again? Tell me, dear, are you lonesome too?